and the child goes inside and says good morning. And the principal looks at the child and the parent and says, इसको पता भी नहीं है कि good morning कहा जाता है कि good afternoon. Did you know this? That the first part of the brain in a child is the right side of the brain that develops.
बच्चे पे क्या फर्क पड़ता है इन क्वेश्चन का, आप सोचिए. You know, easily such a delicate psychology and these tough questions are all.
And the child pooping all the time and all. आप कुछ पढ़ते ही नहीं हो parenting के बारे में. As soon as the child is born, they start taking interest. They start taking duties about nappy or staying up in the night or whatever it is. Understand brain education and do those kind of things. But parents feel के तो फिर ये तो पढ़ाई नहीं. Sometimes tends to stay out.
Stay out, yes.
And then the mother feels that you are not doing anything.
Yeah, that's correct.
So that's why you're not involved. They know exactly at what stage is my child growing at that point. And they're very interested in it. As soon as the child is born, they start taking interest. You make it matter of fact. Like a parent asked me when I took a class on sex education. So for example, if a 4-year-old tells you, "Mummy, where do babies come from?" You say hospital. We don't give importance to fathers because mother is pregnant for 9 months. So she gets taken care of.
Yeah.
तुम क्या करते हो? 9 महीने तुमको तो कुछ नहीं करना है. Teen now to talk about sex. 9-year-olds and 10-year-olds know about sex.
Yes. Today everything is smart. Phones, homes and even gadgets. And kids ultra smart. With 5G, every teen has a mobile. Acer 2024 numbers say 82% of 14 to 16 years old kids own a smartphone. 57% use it for studies, but 76% for social media. मतलब एक तरफ endless learning और दूसरी तरफ endless scrolling. पेरेंट्स की इंटेंशन बेस्ट होती है, बट टेक्नोलॉजी की स्पीड इतनी तेज है कि कभी कभी इवन स्मार्ट पेरेंट्स फील वन स्टेप बिहाइंड. द रियल क्वेश्चन इज, हाउ डू वी क्रिएट स्मार्टर प्लान्स जो किड्स को टेक्नोलॉजी का बेस्ट दे और उन्हें डिस्ट्रैक्शन से भी बचाए. टू हेल्प अस एक्सप्लोर दिस, वी हैव अ वेरी स्पेशल गेस्ट, डॉक्टर स्वाति पोपट-वत्स, प्रेसिडेंट ऑफ पोद्दार एजुकेशन नेटवर्क, ऑथर ऑफ 30+ books and a strong advocate of education. Let's welcome Swati ji. It's been a privilege to have you on the show.
Thank you so much for inviting me, and namaskar to you and to your listeners.
Thank you so much. So let's start with the, straight away we'll start with our questions. Let's start with the tough one, right? So, आपके एक्सपीरियंस में पढ़ाई के केस में कौन सी गलतियां रिपीट होती हैं? I mean, parents, आपको क्या लगता है कि are they following the right trend or are they being kind of bombarding the kids with pressure? ये भी करना है, marks भी लेना है, वो भी करना है and all that. So what is the kind of mistakes you see, parents often make?
So I don't blame parents for this. उनकी गलती नहीं है, लेकिन I think हमारा जो education system है या parental expectations है are tied somewhere to prestige. That मेरे बच्चे को इतने marks मिलने चाहिए, मेरा बच्चा first आना चाहिए, मेरे बच्चे को इतना आना चाहिए. So even for very young children, I see parents who come to us, child समझो 4 साल का है, and they will ask questions like, बाजू वाली स्कूल 500 तक numbers सिखाती है, आप क्यों नहीं सिखाते हो? And then we had to explain to them the difference between chanting numbers and counting numbers. कि numbers बोलना तो कोई भी सिखा सकता है, but numbers समझना बहुत difficult है. तो ये जो एक चीज़ है ना कि हमें quantity चाहिए और हमें जल्दी चाहिए, तो ये एक हमको सिखाया गया है, and parents have taken that up. And sadly, in spite of all the advances that we've made in technology or anything, ये parental expectations वहीं के वहीं हैं. So schools are trying to move ahead, move to a more play-based format, understand brain education and do those kind of things. But parents feel के तो फिर ये तो पढ़ाई नहीं है. So that is where the meeting नहीं हो पा रहा है. Number 2, in India, we have 2 kinds of systems of education. One is called the Indian knowledge systems, जो भारत के पास था हमेशा गुरुकुल system से.
Correct.
फिर दूसरा आया मैकॉले के under the British.
Correct.
And when that came in, we still have parents right now who are under that system because they've not experienced or had generations talk about the Indian knowledge systems. अब पंचतंत्र को देख लीजिए, इट वाज ऑल स्टोरी बेस्ड.
करेक्ट.
हमारे कंट्री के एक एजुकेशनिस्ट है, उनका नाम है गिजुभाई बदेका. ही टॉट थ्रू गेम्स एंड स्टोरीज. तो वो पिकअप नहीं हो पाया. क्यों? बिकॉज वी वर अंडर द ब्रिटिश रूल. We had an education system जिसमें ये सब चीजें important थी. These were connected to success. तो क्या हुआ, पेरेंट्स को लगा कि अगर मार्क्स अच्छे हैं, ग्रेड्स अच्छे हैं, फर्स्ट आया, सेकंड आया, तो यहाँ पे नौकरी मिलेगी. So we are still about the prestige. And that is a change, a huge change that's not yet come in education, especially where parental expectations are
एक
concerned.
बात बताइए, प्रेस्टीज एक अपनी जगह है, बट गिवन दी पॉपुलेशन वी हैव, तो कंपटीशन भी है. सो जो हमारा जो इवैल्यूएशन सिस्टम है कि बच्चा अच्छा कर रहा है नहीं कर रहा, वो अनफॉर्चुनेटली फॉर्चुनेटली रैंकिंग सिस्टम है कि इतना परसेंट कट ऑफ है. एक अच्छे कॉलेज में 90% आया तो ही मिलेगा, या 95 आया तो ही मिलेगा अच्छे स्कूल में. सो समवेयर डू यू थिंक वो एक फंडामेंटल इशू वो भी तो है ना?
Absolutely.
Yeah.
That's why I said in the beginning, I won't blame the parents.
Yeah.
जब तक हमारी सिस्टम नहीं बदलेगी, हमारे पास अभी नए NEP 2020 है, National Education Policy.
Absolutely.
Talks about better assessments, no grading, no this thing. But अभी भी schools to get admission, what do they promote? They promote कि इतने बच्चों को 99% मिला.
Yeah, absolutely.
और पेरेंट एडमिशन क्यों लेता है कि अच्छा इनके बच्चों को इतने ग्रेड्स मिले हैं. And ultimately both the school and the parent are tying it to what? Success.
Yeah.
Success in life.
Yeah.
But if you go to see, if you analyze it, big companies, big corporates have stopped asking for your mark sheet.
Absolutely.
They are more interview based.
Oh, you're right, because I don't remember
Yeah.
being in the corporate career for almost now 25 years.
Right.
मेरे से आज तक किसी ने पूछा है कि आपने 10th 12th में क्या
कितने
परसेंटेज
परसेंटेज आए? कौन पूछता है
आपने
अभी?
पूछा नहीं, बल्कि हमको एक
Exactly.
प्रॉब्लम दी गई. You just tell us how are you going to solve this
Absolutely.
problem.
But that fear is so ingrained in parents.
Yeah, correct.
कि unless and until marks नहीं आएंगे, बच्चे को नौकरी नहीं मिलेगी, सक्सेस कैसे होगा, पैसा कैसे आएगा, all that.
Correct.
So उससे निकलने में टाइम लग रहा है.
वो ना जीन्स में कैरी हो गया मेरे को लगता है.
Absolutely.
ये साइकोलॉजिकल जो है ना, ये कैरी हो गया.
It's
in the
part
genes,
of our
you know.
heredity that we are giving.
Yeah, absolutely correct. Absolutely.
True.
So what do you think the parents should not do any 2-3 mistakes or whatever, you know?
I would say don't go to a school that stresses your child. One of the first thing that parents need to say no to, if a school is interviewing your child, say no. इंटरव्यू का मतलब क्या है कि मैं सिर्फ बेस्ट बच्चों को लूंगा मेरे स्कूल में.
Wow.
दैट मीन्स द स्कूल इज ऑलरेडी टेलिंग यू कि मेरे में ताकत नहीं है बच्चों को सिखाने की.
हाँ.
तो आप मुझे अच्छा बच्चा
Correct.
दीजिए.
अच्छा ही दो तो मैं तो और शायद मैं अच्छा और बना दूं.
तो ये स्कूल बोल रहा है आपको.
Okay.
यू अंडरस्टैंड दैट?
I think that is a very important point, you know, because normally तो बच्चों का छोड़ो, पेरेंट्स का भी इंटरव्यू लिया जाता है, you know, कि भाई आप पहले तो ये बताइए कि आपका प्रोफाइल
हम आपको इंटरव्यू करेंगे, हमको जानना है आप कमाते कितना है, घर में कौन ध्यान रखेगा बच्चे का. अच्छा माँ काम करती है तो फिर नहीं चलेगा. अच्छा you're divorced. अरे क्या आपको क्या लेना देना है? Your job is education. Your job is education and your job is to support me in how I take care of my child at home.
और बच्चे पे क्या फर्क पड़ता है इन क्वेश्चन का, आप सोचिए. You know, easily such a delicate psychology and these tough questions are asked.
Absolutely.
You know, it impacts the somewhere it impacts the personality, right, at the early age.
And it is against the RTE Act. It is unlawful to interview a child.
Okay.
But parents के दिमाग में क्या घुसाया गया है that if a school interviews your child, that school is very good. It's an exclusive school.
Yeah. And they kind of create sense of achievement also, ना कि मैंने इंटरव्यू क्लियर किया.
हाँ, मेरे बच्चे ने इंटरव्यू क्लियर किया. Can I tell you a small joke about what actually happened to your child?
About the candid conversation.
So what actually happened to a child? So usually बच्चे ना रिसेप्शन में बैठते हैं और माँ और बाप बैठते हैं उनके साथ. तो मम्मी उधर बैठ के उसको बोल रही थी, देखो अंदर जाके ना उनको गुड मॉर्निंग बोलना. स्टार्ट विद अ गुड मॉर्निंग, स्टार्ट विद अ गुड मॉर्निंग. और अंदर इतना टाइम हो गया कि इट वॉज ऑलरेडी 1 o'clock by the time the child went inside. And the child goes inside and says good morning. And the principal looks at the child and the parent and says, इसको पता भी नहीं है कि good morning कहा जाता है कि good afternoon.
Oh my God.
And imagine how much you
hurt. वहीं से शुरू हो गया.
वहीं से शुरू हो गया. And look at what you did to the child sitting outside कि अंदर जाके you took away that child's individuality.
I agree.
And said ये बोलना, ये बोलना, ये बोलना. एक दूसरी बात है, questions that these principals ask are not developmentally appropriate.
Okay.
For example, this is a real case that happened. A principal was wearing a multicolored sari and she said, I want to test your child's color recognition. So she pointed to a particular color in her sari and said, what color is this? And the child said, multicolored. And
Perfect answer.
the principal said, oh, your child doesn't know the colors.
Oh my
But
God.
I feel the child gave the perfect answer.
It's the perfect answer. Correct.
You have so many colors in
Oh.
your sari.
Oh.
I would be very happy if a 4-year-old, but so what I'm trying to draw your attention to, is this the education you want for your child? Are these the adults you want taking care of your child?
Hmm.
अभी से अगर इतना स्ट्रेस है तो आगे जाके आप सोचिए कितना स्ट्रेस होगा.
बट क्या स्कूल प्रोग्रेसिव हो रहे हैं? बिकॉज एनईपी तो प्रोग्रेसिव एक आने वाले अबाउट 2030. आई एम ऑन फॉर इट. यू नो, लेट मी टेल यू, being a finance professional and being an education financer also, I'm on for it, because whatever is happening outside India must happen in India also.
True.
Why kids are going out? You know,
True.
they must study here, and the university degree must get all the recognition what it is getting outside.
True.
So I'm on for it. But do you think the pace of kind of progressive approach adopted by the schools and the other institution, is it enough, or do you think there is a scope?
I think the change is there because I started Podar Jumbo Kids
Achha.
25 years back. And I started with all these changes. No interviews, no red and blue lines, no cursive, no by-hearting. We started with 8 admissions at that time. 8 admissions there.
Okay.
Today we have 45,000 admissions.
Oh, wonderful.
Nothing has changed in the curriculum.
Padar itself is a great
So in fact,
testimony. Yeah.
in fact, the change is such that even now franchisees parents are understanding. आप जब तक उनको समझाएंगे नहीं कि क्यों चाहिए ये change, you can't just sell change for the heck of it. You have to explain to the parent that these are the years of brain development. इस वक्त में अगर आप बच्चे के ब्रेन पे स्ट्रेस डालोगे तो लर्निंग एंड स्ट्रेस गेट एसोसिएटेड, व्हिच मींस योर चाइल्ड एसोसिएट्स लर्निंग विद फियर.
Absolutely.
So which means जब भी वो लर्निंग के लिए बैठेगा, the fear is triggered in the brain.
Yes, absolutely correct.
And that's why the child doesn't remember things, doesn't learn things, doesn't retain things. So over a period of time, we educated parents a lot. And that brought the change.
Wonderful.
I've not stopped there. I'm now educating publishers to change the things, because many of the mistakes that are done in education are because of publishers.
Absolutely.
Because parents वो books में देखते हैं कि देखो ये वर्कबुक में तो ये दिया है, आप बोल रहे हो कि ये नहीं करना चाहिए इस साल के बच्चे के साथ. So publishers को हम लोग अभी we are training them as part of Early Childhood Association.
But I'm sure, though it's a touchy topic, and I'm picking up boards here, typical boards, CBSE, or even ICSE, or even state. Do you think the curriculum also needs a bit of a overhauling? Because what is getting taught, 80% of it, by the time the exams are over, the kids are out of it. Very limited stuff, I think, which gets retained, and thanks to this social media trends, what they are picking it up from the YouTube videos or even the tutorial videos, that they're applying. So do you think the overhauling at the curriculum level is also
Which
important?
board did you study in?
I personally studied at CBSE.
I studied in the SSC board.
Okay.
But you found me good enough to interview.
Oh yeah, of course.
So it's not the board.
Yeah,
It's
it's about
not,
the orientation.
It's about your teachers. And it's about the support you get from your parents at home.
You're right.
Because आजकल के parents में there is one thing that I would like to advise them.
Yes.
Don't leave everything on the school.
Yeah,
You can't leave everything on the
Yeah,
school.
yeah.
You have to give that little support to the child at home also. आप ये नहीं बोल सकते हो कि ये स्कूल ने नहीं कराया तो मैं भी नहीं करूंगा. Coming to your question of boards, I feel right now all the boards, whether it's IB, Cambridge, CBSE, ICSE, extremely progressive because I work with all of them. CBSE ने अभी recently 2 चीज की, sugar board निकाला और affirmations.
Okay.
So which means sugar board means they are making children aware of the sugar content that you're taking in every day.
Wonderful. Yes.
Now this is not part of any curriculum,
Yeah.
but they have asked schools to do it.
Yeah.
Affirmations, mental health के इतने issues आए हैं post pandemic that we need to give a child a positive affirmation before they leave home in the morning.
Yeah.
Now, would you think in the olden days boards would have done this? So
Yeah.
boards have evolved.
Wonderful. Yes.
And also, I have seen working with boards, they don't dictate to you कि इतना ही करो. They say this is the textbook, this is the curriculum. Now, how you do it? And that's why I always tell people, जो गीजूभाई बदेका ने book लिखी है, दिव्य स्वप्न, वो पढ़िए.
Dev Swapna.
दिव्य स्वप्न.
Okay.
It's a very small PDF available on Google in every language.
Wonderful.
He did this experiment. Diva Swapna is about an experiment in education done in 1920.
Okay.
of can I teach without textbooks and can I teach that curriculum instead of teaching it with a blackboard, can I teach it with games and stories?
Yeah. So that it retains.
And he
right?
did it with grade 5 and grade 6.
Yeah.
क्योंकि लोग कहते हैं ना कि प्री प्राइमरी में तो खेल सकते हैं, उसके बाद नहीं.
No, but that's the right age, right?
Yeah.
Whatever you learn at
Yeah.
that age, it stays forever.
So if he could do this experiment in 1920 to prove that it's not the curriculum that is wrong, it's not the textbook
Technique,
which is
yeah.
wrong, it is not the board that is wrong, it is the teacher who has to take a proper decision on how she wants to teach it to her group of students.
Maybe process and technique also. Right?
I blame the B.Ed curriculum.
Okay.
So I've done my B.Ed, and when I did my B.Ed in English and history, I was very disappointed that you need to teach me strategies. कि मैं क्या-क्या strategies class में use कर सकती हूँ.
Correct.
If I have a child who doesn't pay attention, what strategy should I use? You cannot put the burden on me only and teach me कि history का lesson ऐसे पढ़ाओ, English का grammar का lesson ऐसे पढ़ाओ, and that's it. You have to prepare me as a teacher.
Absolutely.
About the brain of a child.
Absolutely.
You need to teach me what to do if a child doesn't learn.
Absolutely.
So that's where we need to start. And I'm very happy to know that one of the curriculum frameworks that's going to come now is on teacher education.
That is where I think the reform,
Absolutely.
the definitive reform is required.
Absolutely. नहीं तो वो ना वो पटरी होती है ना रेलवे की. It's not matching only. It's like कुछ और बोल रहे हो, एजुकेशन में कुछ और हो रहा है, पेरेंट्स के एक्सपेक्टेशंस कुछ और हैं, एंड देन वी कीप ऑन ग्रम्बलिंग कि क्यों चेंज नहीं हो रहा है.
If I may use this analogy कि मतलब प्लांट है, आपने सीड डाला है, सैपलिंग बना है. Now the gardener has to take care.
Exactly.
Of it, right?
Exactly.
The nurturing part has to come from
Absolutely.
him or her. So that's where I think the teacher and then of course the parents at home, they play a very, very vital role in shaping the personality.
Absolutely.
So while I think it's a institutional level challenge, okay, which I think it's very heartening to note that it is getting solved.
It is
Getting solved, and which will actually reflect in the India growth story, and it is reflecting as well. Now coming back to the parental level, I mean, let's kind of, since this topic is about parenting, what do you think are the 2-3 finer aspects parents can actually do to create opportunities without giving too much of a load, on the kid's mind?
I think 2 things that parents should stay away from. One is don't push your child into something. Nurture it in the child.
Okay.
By that I mean you want your child to know skating, you want your child to know karate, you want your child to know this. आप उनको classes में डाल देते हो. But if you motivate the child instead कि कराटे है, skating है, आपको इसमें से कौन सा करना है और क्यों करना है, then it becomes a child's decision. आपने choice दी है,
correct,
but it becomes the child's decision.
Yeah.
Somewhere we need to understand autonomy versus self-doubt. I tell all parents, Erik Erikson को पढ़िए. He is the father of social development, emotional and social development. He says at a particular age of a child, if you don't do particular things, you will end up having negative things in the child's temperament. So there is something called autonomy versus self-doubt, which means when you don't give me autonomy, I start doubting myself. Then I'm not able to take decisions.
Absolutely.
So हर चीज में बच्चे के लिए decisions मत लो. उनको autonomy दो. यहाँ पे parents मुझे क्या कहते हैं कि but then if I give a choice, the child may not do. No, I said your 2 choices are such that the child has to take one of them.
One, absolutely.
So for example, if you are say telling a child, do you want to go to sleep now or later? That's your first choice.
Yeah.
So the child will of course say later.
Later.
अब टाइम हो गया है, अब आपको लेटर का ऑप्शन नहीं देना है. So you will say, do you want to go to sleep with your blue toy or your black toy? So what did you do now?
She has to go to sleep.
She
or
has
he
to
has
go
to
to
go to
sleep,
sleep. Yeah.
But मैंने फिर भी choice दी.
Choice दी, correct.
And that is very good for the human brain, especially children's brains. They thrive on choices.
While you are giving choice, but stimulation भी दे रहे हो आपकी. You are stimulating
Yes.
or her,
Yes. So don't take away empowerment and agency from your children.
Okay, so that is
And this
one
happens
thing.
in parenting also. And number 2, please be there in emotional moments of your child.
Yeah.
अभी क्या हो रहा है with the mobile phone? Child is angry, we give them a mobile phone. The child is upset, we give them a mobile phone. Child doesn't want to eat, put a mobile phone. ये सारे emotional moments थे. You should have been there for the child, not the mobile phone.
Absolutely.
What are you teaching the child? That when you have an emotional need, don't come to me. Go to a machine. No wonder your teenagers are then listening to more computers, and you have those Blue Whale episodes, suicide.
Correct. Absolutely. Yeah.
Because what did you tell?
Family time is getting.
No, you told them emotional need जब भी आप में हो,
Hmm.
आप किसी और चीज का सहारा लोगे. I won't be there for you.
Agreed.
I've seen parents take their children for an injection, and while the doctor is giving an injection, they have a mobile phone in front of them. I said, this was the time for you to hold your child's hand and say,
Absolutely.
it is going to pain,
I'm with you.
but I'm with you.
Yeah.
So the child knows कि मैं जब भी upset हूँ, whenever I have a need, there is my parent whom I can go to, and I don't need to go to a phone.
Any other thing.
Now what happens as children grow older, they have sexual questions.
Absolutely.
Whom will they go to?
Parents. Obviously.
They won't go to the parent.
Yeah, they'll go to the.
They go to the computer.
Computer.
Will be yours or the peers.
Peers,
So
absolutely.
this starts from childhood. So always be there emotionally for your child. That's very important. So it's not only about keeping them away from the screens. हम लोग parents को guilt feel कराते हैं कि देखो तुम लोग screen time बहुत देते हो. It's not that. I have no problem. You want your me time. You gave a screen to the child. Fine. But when there was an emotional moment of the child, that time don't give us.
I think if I say it, even parents have to reduce their screen time for that, right? Because I am also noticing while, 4 people in the family, 4 different rooms, 4 different mobile phones. I think that's a crime, honestly.
Basically, this is seen very much in restaurants. अगर आप जाओगे तो पूरा family बैठा है,
and
each one is on there.
What's the point?
I know.
You're going to have an expensive bill, but still there is no family time per se.
Absolutely.
I think that is the void, which is also needs to be filled. So do you think parents should also do away with the validation part? For an example, I mean, I don't know, bring my family into it, but, just for an example, I keep telling my kids, you should aspire to give an exam for advanced JEE or whatever. He's scared. I said, fine. I said, no more validation, but give it a shot. I'll give you a thumbs up if you try. If it doesn't score, that's fine. But do you think is that a good idea, or a validation is important? Nahi, bhai, to score le aaya. Wow, you scored 100%. Rather, great, you attempted it, and I'm very happy about it.
Compare the child, but compare the child to the child's last performance. Because if you don't give validation, somewhere the child will not set their eyes on achievement.
Sure.
They will feel my parents are happy with me. Why should I improve? So I always say to a parent, say आज result आया और आपके बच्चे को 70% आए. So say last time you got 65 and now you got 70. I'm very happy. That means you can work on your success. I'm very happy about that. So what's your aim now for next time? So now you are boosting the child, motivating the child, and letting the child set the next target.
One step forward.
And you can bargain also there. Say the child says, okay, 72. तुमको लगता है सिर्फ 72 के लिए काबिल हो तुम? I have a feeling 75 तक जा सकते हो. क्या लगता है तुमको? So have that conversation where the child also understands how to value himself or herself and set a next target.
तो motivation देना ठीक है.
Of course.
बेटा 90 आ जाओ. iPhone 16
नहीं
and all. No?
वो नहीं.
Okay.
वो that is like, तो फिर हम as Indians काम
गलत हो गया
नहीं, हम लोग ब्राइबिंग के लिए नहीं, हम तो शुरू ही घर से करते हैं. ये लाओगे तो ये मिलेगा. वही तो हो रहा है ना, वोट दो तो ये मिलेगा.
And I've also seen, by the way, एक जो आपने example दिया कि बच्चे को हमको positively reinforce करना है, to go to the higher grades or whatever. But I've seen enough examples in my own life that यहाँ बच्चा 99 ला के भी खुश नहीं है. बोल रहे मेरे फ्रेंड 99.4 लाया, मेरे को 99 ही रह गया. That's also an extreme I've seen.
Yes.
And parents also like they are
कर लेते हैं. शर्मा जी का बच्चा ये लाया तुम.
Exactly. So how do we handle that situation? Because there's an extreme on the both sides.
My parents never compared me to anybody.
Wonderful.
But I got compared to my siblings by others.
By others, of course.
So my entire school life went trying to live up to their successes. And it brings in you a kind of insecurity that am I capable or not. So I always tell parents when they come to me for mentoring, don't ever compare your child to another child, because other children are born with certain situations, certain characteristics. Your child is born with his own.
Yes.
अपने बच्चे को अपने साथ compare करो. Don't compare your child with somebody else, because that's never going to work. You will again hurt the child's self-esteem. और सबसे बड़ा तोहफा अगर हम, or treasure I would say, that a parent needs to nurture in their child is the child's self-esteem.
Yeah.
आपने देखा होगा जब a parent गुस्सा हो जाता है, we end up saying a lot of things which we then regret.
Yeah.
And we say very ridiculing things.
I agree.
You understand?
I agree.
Because that time what happened, your self-esteem became more important.
Yes.
You
It happens most of the time, let me tell you.
and it hurts.
And me being a parent also, I think I personally need to
Yeah.
work a lot on this, because
I learned something from my dad. I wasn't a very good student in school. And now, after studying so much, I have realized that maybe I was gifted and I got the wrong teachers. You know, so I never
pushed you to
scored well.
discover yourself.
Later on in college, I had teachers who pushed me to discover who I really am. And I excelled in everything. But in school, I was a very bad student because I think I didn't get the right atmosphere. So when my 10th standard board exams were over and I had to go to get the result, my dad only told me one thing: whatever happens na beta, come home.
Perfect.
That said it all.
That said it all.
That said it all.
Una type.
Ha!
Yeah.
You know, and imagine what confidence it gives you.
Yeah.
I mean, it also, if you introspect बहुत ज़्यादा करोगे तो आप बोलोगे कि oh, your dad knew that you're not going to do well.
Yeah.
But yeah, I'm his child. He knew that.
Yeah.
But that sentence says it all.
Wonderful.
That I am with you
Wonderful.
and we will sort it out.
Cements everything, you know. So it gives you a very different level of
This is what I'm
confidence.
saying. Be there when your child needs you and be there in subtle ways.
Wonderful.
Sometimes I think parents overdo things.
Yes.
आप कॉलेज जाओगे उनको छोड़ने के लिए और एग्जाम है तो मैं छुट्टी लूंगा आज. I recently got a letter from email from one of my staff, and she said, "Ma'am, I need an off for the whole week." I said, "What happened?" "My son's exams." I said, "Isn't your son 23 years old?"
Oh my God. Okay.
So
Yeah.
अब 23 साल के बच्चे के एग्जाम्स के लिए भी आपको घर पे बैठना है.
Yeah.
तो ये तो कुछ ज्यादा हो रहा है ना.
Yeah.
So what are you telling this 23-year-old?
Yeah.
So I don't trust you.
So we need basically grandparenting tips rather than parenting tips, right? Because how to do the right parenting is also, it's
very important.
Yeah.
I mean, he doesn't need you at 23 to be there for his
Absolutely.
exam.
Why will you be there?
Yeah,
of course. And why do you need to
exactly.
keep pampering, your child all the time?
Autonomy, as I said right from the beginning, you took away the autonomy.
Absolutely.
So self-doubt aa jata hai fir. Eric Erickson is wonderful. I would advise all parents. Rarely even teachers read about him, but it really tells you at what stage to give what support to your child. Like हमारे में एक कहावत है ना कि बच्चा जब बेबी होता है उसको रोने दो. It's good for their lungs.
Absolutely.
नहीं. Erickson said in the first year of a child's life, never allow a child to cry.
Okay.
Because it is at that age that the child is realizing that there is somebody for me. So if I cry, somebody will come.
Very interesting.
When I cry and somebody doesn't come, I start feeling left out. I start feeling bereft. I start feeling emotionally के that's why orphanages में जो बड़े होते हैं ना बच्चे, उनको बहुत problems होता है emotionally.
Yes.
Because nobody was there with them when they actually needed it. Read Eric Erickson.
It's a very deep thing, I think we will encourage all our audience to kind of, look at.
Yes.
Wonderful. So, थोड़ा हम screen time पे आते हैं.
Sure.
Though we touched on this topic, but it's a very important topic, I think, for me to discuss. By the way, we take questions from our audience.
Sure.
So some of it I'm asking it is, get asked from my audience only. And we continue to encourage it, And at some point in time, maybe in subsequent shows, we will start announcing the name of our audience. And maybe we'll show a picture as well that,
this
the question has
them.
become the highlight of the show,
That's so wonderful.
Because end of the day, we want to connect with them. Literally, what is in their mind they're struggling with or they're puzzled with. We are more than happy to kind of put it in the domain experts like you and hopefully get that.
Anytime.
Wonderful. So let's talk about the screen time, especially when the family time is there. So where do you see, how do we strike a balance between the two, family time, screen time, maybe screen time together as a family is also there? Or
So
Yeah.
today's generation
Yeah.
who came into, I think Gen Z came into screens, right? Screens came when Gen Z came into the world.
Yeah. Yeah.
है ना?
absolutely.
उनके टाइम पे screens आए थे. If you notice anything about the young generation, they don't take these things so much to heart. AI आया हमने यूज करना शुरू किया. I talk to my nephew all the time and he says AI का ये ठीक है. They take it as it is.
As it is. Correct.
We get very carried away.
Ah.
We get अरे AI आया, अब ये हो जाएगा, अब ये हो जाएगा, अब दुनिया खत्म हो जाएगी, अब ये हो जाएगा. So when screens came, we were so enamored with screens. हमने कभी screens देखे नहीं थे. तो हम एक्चुअली अडिक्ट हो गए स्क्रीन से, और हमें देख के उनको भी लगा कि दिस इज दैट ऑब्जेक्ट दैट माय पेरेंट्स लव, सो इफ आई स्पेंड टाइम विद इट दे विल लव मी ऑल्सो. I have made one poster, I'll send it to you.
Sure.
That what is the first thing that a child sees as a child is being born? जैसे ही born हुआ, पहली चीज क्या देखता है बच्चा?
Maybe nurse का चेहरा?
नहीं. आजकल मोबाइल फोन दिखता है उसको,
Oh.
क्योंकि द फादर इज देयर क्लिकिंग अ फोटोग्राफ.
Yeah. Correct. हाँ.
So you know about duck imprinting, no? बेबी डक्स
हाँ,
को
correct.
बेबी डक्स को जो पहली चीज दिखती है ना,
हाँ.
उनको वो माँ समझने लगते हैं.
Oh.
Now make the connection.
Okay. So mobile is the next mother now. Oh.
You understood?
Oh, that's wonderful.
That's the first thing.
First thing,
See,
yeah.
they don't see their dad first.
Yeah.
Dad ऐसे खड़े होते हैं, तो डैड उनको लगता है मोबाइल फोन है मेरा.
No, God. Oh, yes.
So nobody has thought about this. When I studied it a lot to understand how are children getting addicted to screens, it is because of this.
Okay.
We are making it their first entry into the world. We are making them their first go-to for an emotional need. And then in school, instead of preparing them for screens, अभी एक simple चीज मैं पूछती हूँ आपको. Schools में rhymes गाई जाती है.
Correct.
3-year-old के लिए एक rhyme होती है ट्रैफिक लाइट के बारे में. रेड लाइट, व्हाट डू यू से? येलो लाइट. हाँ,
That's correct.
कौन सा 3-year-old गाड़ी चलाने वाला है कि आप उसको ट्रैफिक लाइट के बाद, हु इज गोइंग टू क्रॉस ऑन देयर ओन?
Yeah.
बट एवरी 3-year-old विल हैव अ स्क्रीन इन देयर हैंड.
Yes.
उसके बारे में आप गाना नहीं सिखा रहे हो. So if you really want your children to be safe with screens, how about introducing a song? If you're playing with screens, take a break. If you're playing with screens, take a break. उसी गाने में आप डाल दो, hold the screen at 20 inches distance.
Great.
Don't play for it more than 20 minutes. आप गाने में सिखाओ ना, because the brain of a child works on, did you know this? That the first part of the brain in a child is the right side of the brain that develops.
Oh, okay.
And the right side of the brain is in charge of long-term memory.
That's correct.
So, the right side of the brain only learns through songs, games and stories.
Yeah.
तो ये जो बोल रहे हैं ना
Very
हम
interesting.
कि क्यों वर्कशीट्स बंद करनी चाहिए, that is left side. Left side is in charge of short-term memory.
Correct.
तो अगर मुझे बच्चे को कुछ भी सिखाना है and want it to stay long term, I have to
Right.
sing to the child.
Think. Absolutely.
That is why lullabies.
Yeah.
हमारे कल्चर में
Absolutely.
lullabies
Correct.
क्यों थी?
Correct.
Because that's the way to reach the right brain of the child.
And that's our ancient culture of, getting things taught.
So stop grumbling about screens. Just do two things. Number one, don't use it for an emotional moment. Number two, through songs, teach the child about balanced screen use. और number three, अगर चाहिए तो be a good model, which means let the child see you using it correctly, which means not with you all the time, not with you when you are eating, not with you when you are talking to somebody, because children learn by imitation.
That's
So ये सब कुछ जो आ रहा है, it's coming from you. And I have a lot of teenager parents who come to me and say, how do I keep them safe on social media?
Correct.
I say, practice parent muttering. So they say, what is that? So I said, you are on social media? Saying yes. I said, sit with your child, take your phone and say, ये फोटो ना मैं Instagram पे पोस्ट करने वाली हूँ, but मुझे सोचने दो, ये डालना चाहिए मुझे क्योंकि इसमें क्या क्या दिख रहा है.
Correct.
I don't think I'm going to put it on Insta. I think I'll put this photograph. So you're talking to yourself, but who's hearing you? Your child is hearing.
Absolutely.
So your child understands that social media is also about making certain decisions.
Yeah.
And why and what can you put? Instead of sitting and lecturing your child, practice parent muttering, which means the child hears you
Very
talk
interesting.
about these
Parent
things.
muttering. Wonderful.
Because teenagers and youngsters don't want to be lectured.
Yeah, absolutely.
wants to be
Who wants to be?
lectured?
Nobody wants to.
तो मुझे lecture मत दो.
I agree.
Show me something that
Yeah,
I'm
I
supposed to
agree.
be doing. Me, my role model.
Yeah. You know, though it's a little personal, me and my wife always get a fight that you don't tell anything to the kids. You just, I said, they don't like me telling them anything.
वो तो good cop bad cop से कर रहे होगे.
But otherwise also, you know, nobody wants to have a lecture, honestly.
Who wants?
Who wants? He also didn't want,
Yeah.
actually, you know, too much of a preaching.
So in fact, yes, आपने I'm very happy that you came out with screens. The Early Childhood Association, जिसकी मैं president हूँ,
हाँ जी.
हमने एक contract निकाला है. It's called the cell phone contract.
Okay.
And we have created this contract right from 3-year-olds to teenagers.
Wow.
कि आप जब भी फोन दो आपके बच्चे के हाथ में, whether it's your phone or the child's own phone, make the child sign a contract. And this comes from the IB board. अगर आप इंटरनेशनल बैकलॉरेट देखोगे, they have something called a classroom agreement, where children and teachers make an agreement कि हम ऐसे बात करेंगे, हम ऐसे बैठेंगे, हम ये नहीं बोलेंगे, हम ये नहीं बोलेंगे. So the minute, if you're so worried about screen time,
हाँ जी.
have a contract. And young children, even 3-year-olds, they like it when they are given that
Absolutely.
empowerment.
This has to start as early as possible.
So we are launching that.
Yeah, that's one.
And we want that more and more parents should sign the contract. फिर आप जा सकते हो बच्चे के बाद. देखो तुमने साइन किया था. 20 मिनट से ज्यादा नहीं यूज करोगे.
Correct. That's a good thing. Absolutely. That's a good one, because the moment kids are becoming 7, 8, 9 year, 10 years type, you know, double digit में आते ही वो contract का कोई value नहीं रहेगा. By that time they are already.
No, they do.
They do?
They do.
Yeah.
Absolutely. We did a pilot of these contracts.
Wow.
And in fact, we had 14 years old who told us, मुझे ये contract में ये point change करना है.
Oh wow.
Because it makes
That
them
is it.
feel valued. Okay, I am, because I'm signing, and the parent is also going to sign.
Right. Huh.
And that contract has roles and responsibilities of the child and the parent.
Yes, absolutely.
So दोनों sign कर रहे हैं, तब उनको मजा आता है कि now I can take the parent also कि तुमने sign किया था इधर. So do it.
Wonderful. But sir, you know, the related point here when it comes to the parenting, you know, obviously I've read somewhere, I don't remember exactly, but 2-3 people also talked about it very early when I became, you know, the father. You know, me and my both became the parent, you know, we got a new birth. Yes. So someone gave us a tip that up to year of 5, my daughter or whatever, be with her. Give her everything what she wants because she needs you, as you rightly said. Up to 5 years, give the kid whatever they need because they need support. 5 to 10, inculcate discipline because they need it. Okay. 10 to 15, again, observe what have they kind of, how are they translating to what you've kind of given them in the school or whatever discipline. After 15, become their friends. So what do you think? Is this the right?
No, it isn't.
No, it is not?
No, it isn't.
So maybe
I'll tell you why.
You can correct the formula then.
You can actually check on the work of Rudolf Steiner.
Okay.
दुनिया भर में Waldorf schools है. Okay. They are based on Rudolf Steiner's this thing. He has done amazing work on parenting. And he says there are 3 stages in a child's life. Yeah. At this stage, children want this. Okay. So 3 stages उसने बहुत अच्छी तरह define किए. Okay. पढ़ लीजिए इस पे. Google पे again मिलेगा. आपने जो कहा ना, up to 5 years, give them everything, don't say no. There is also a wonderful experiment that you can Google. It's called the marshmallow experiment. In which a 4-year-old is put in a room और उसके सामने marshmallow, because foreign country का ये है, हम इंडिया में जो भी खाना आपका बच्चे का favorite है वो रखिए. Put that in front of your child and do this experiment when your child is hungry.
Yeah.
Put that in front of the child and say, मैं room से बाहर जा रहा हूँ. If you eat it now, then you will get 1. But if you wait till I come back and don't eat it, then you'll get 2.
Okay.
And try this experiment. You, somebody in your team has a 6-year-old, ask them to try it with them.
Okay.
You come to know a very important life skill. It's called impulse control.
Wonderful.
And what is the difference between a successful person and an unsuccessful person in life? It's impulse control.
Absolutely.
Okay, you waited. Abhi, even in share market, what do? You have impulse control.
Absolutely correct.
You understood?
Even while you're seeing the mall going everywhere.
So when you tell a young child that you will have to wait for this and after 2 months we'll be able to buy it, और तब तक हम दोनों इसके लिए save करेंगे. So you are instilling in this child something called self-regulation
Yes.
and impulse control. आजकल के बच्चों में और teenagers में impulse control नहीं है. They give in to their emotions because they don't have impulse control. So up to the age of 5 is the right time to develop impulse control.
But what about the parents? They are like ultra controlling.
They themselves don't have impulse control.
They're ultra controlling in the sense कि ये है, इतना मिलेगा, इतना नहीं मिलेगा, everything. They're like begging to the father or mother, I need this. They're saying no. Everything is no. Do you think that's also a different level of extreme?
A lot of parents are guilty of aspirational parenting.
Okay.
Which means जो मुझे नहीं मिला मैं मेरे बच्चे को देना चाहता हूँ.
Yes.
Which is very wrong.
Very wrong.
Very wrong. आपको नहीं मिला इसलिए आप इतने successful हो आज.
Because you struggled.
Yeah. आप अभी easily दे दोगे तो this generation is not going to know the value of these things.
I think that is a very important point.
Aspirational parenting.
And I've seen it translates, and especially to the Indian parents, हमने बहुत स्ट्रगल किया है, हमारे पास कुछ नहीं था, मेरे बच्चों को सब कुछ देना है, मैं ये इसलिए कर रहा हूँ, मैं अपने बच्चे के लिए कर रहा हूँ.
Exactly.
I mean, that is the
right.
Yeah.
And today's parent wants to know what's right and wrong.
Yeah.
I feel like reality show आना चाहिए. Do you know of a reality show in the UK which did very well on parenting? It was called Super Nanny.
Yes, I've heard about it. Yes,
so BBC and Star Plus came to India and they wanted to do that. So they appointed me as the super nanny.
Wow.
We shot a pilot also.
Wow.
I told खड़ूस हूँ तो super nanny भी खड़ूस थी. So we did an episode in Hindi. We did a pilot.
Wonderful.
I don't know why they didn't come out with it, because उस जमाने में I think we did this about 12 years back.
No.
I think that time was not the time for reality shows. अब है.
Correct.
अब parenting reality shows आने चाहिए because it will really teach parents so much more.
Absolutely. I think it's a good format.
Yeah, it is a very good format.
I mean, good idea you're giving me. So because it's important.
Yeah.
And we see the reality show
Absolutely.
where what are they going to teach and what are they actually trying to convey? Nobody has a clue.
Yeah.
But
exactly. The concept is also very nice because the super nanny spends time at that parent's house, observes what they do or what they don't do, then guides them, and then in the next episodes you see the change happening. So it is a wonderful thing. I feel India should also do it because today's parent requires support.
Absolutely.
You cannot keep just blaming them for things.
And let me tell you, every parent today, any starter, and I'm kind of democratizing this whole thing. Any starter, any parent, regardless of their income levels, they have a right aspiration that one thing I want my kids to study well.
Yes, absolutely.
And they're making sure everything possible within their means. इनको education में तो अच्छा दूँ.
Absolutely.
Which I think it's going to transform the country at large.
True.
And we will see this in a decade or so, I think, and we are already seeing the change. In a decade or so, I think this will become a kind of a norm that, education is the thing,
That's why I tell schools that your job is not only to take care of the child, your job is to take care of the parent also. आप parent को guilty मत feel करवाइए, आप parent को educate कीजिए.
Absolutely.
Where else will a parent get educated about parenting?
Absolutely.
See, when you're pregnant, you have 9 months, you read so much and you read everything about pregnancy and all, but जैसे ही बच्चा हो जाता है, you are so busy with nappies and lack of sleep and the child pooping all the time and all, आप कुछ पढ़ते ही नहीं हो parenting के बारे में. And that's why then you feel कि okay, now एक बच्चा मैंने बड़ा किया, I am a master, अब मैं दूसरा कर लूंगा, and the दूसरा becomes totally different. And then you feel that अभी दोनों different है, तो एक third वाला तो same आएगा, and see the population of our country then.
Correct.
So we need to give support to parents.
Absolutely, correct. So coming to this same, chain of thoughts, what is the right age for the schooling to start for the kids? When I say schooling, typical play group or whatever. I mean, I know parents, especially in the urban, cities or whatever, both obviously husband, wife, both are working. I mean, I'm seeing the new trend. They don't have time. They're saying, "Bachcha jitna jaldi school jaye to acha," right? It's not that they don't love their kids. It's just that out of compulsion of their jobs or whatever, they want, jaldi seekh bhai.
True.
What do you think? Whereabout is the right age?
I'm so happy you asked this question.
Yeah.
बिकॉज इतना कंफ्यूजन है प्रेस में, मीडिया में, पेरेंट्स में, एंड आई सी अ लॉट ऑफ रील्स दीज डेज
Yes.
अबाउट इतने छोटे बच्चों को स्कूल भेजना चाहिए कि नहीं. Even stand-up comedians are doing things about it. So let me put the thing straight.
Yeah.
Festival in our country called Vidya Arambh. Not many people know about it.
Vidya
It's done.
Arambh.
Vidya Arambh. It happens on
Okay.
Dashera.
Oh.
And most of the South India states do it. It's called Vidya Arambh.
Arambh. Okay.
So when your child turns 2 or 3, ये पूरा फेस्टिवल उस बच्चे के साथ किया जाता है. What age? 2 or 3.
Like Annaprashan.
Yes.
Okay.
So it's called
It's a
Vidya
Vidya
Arambh.
Arambh. Wow, wonderful.
Which means, and that day, the child's hand is gently held by the parent.
Okay.
On rice and on sand, the child is made to, write anything. It can be a drawing also. The child के जो tongue है, उसके ऊपर with a gold coin, a little bit mantra is done. And Saraswati is basically called in.
Yes, absolutely.
And it's a beautiful festival. Centuries से हमारे country में. What was the age of the child? 2 or 3. Which means what are we saying? विद्या का आरंभ जो होता है वो 2 या 3 साल के बच्चे में होता है.
Absolutely.
He's now really
Ready.
to be entered into the world of oral learning and exploration with his hands.
Excellent.
Okay? Now let's go to neuroscience, because हम तो वैसे लोग हैं ना, हमको तो hangover है, I think has to be science, neuroscience.
Yeah.
Neuroscience says the first 1000 days. So which means in the first 1000 days, जो पहले 3 साल होते हैं बच्चे के,
Yes, yes.
okay, are the most important, because 85% of the brain develops during that time. So which means at that time, the child needs the stimulation of songs, stories, communication, games, for physical development, social, emotional, ये सब. तो इसीलिए सेंचुरीज से बच्चे बालवाड़ी में जाते थे.
जी.
चाहे वो
Correct.
हमारी कंट्री में हो, चाहे यूके में हो, या फिर जर्मनी में, जहाँ पे किंडरगार्टन पहले निकला था. Frederick Frobel is the person who came out with the term kindergarten for the first time. वही तो किंडरगार्टन ही बोलते हैं ना हम यहाँ, बट इंडिया में हमने उसको केजी बना दिया है, शॉर्ट फॉर्म कर दिया है. और केजी कुछ और को भी कहते हैं हम इंडिया में, किलोग्राम्स. सो पेरेंट्स थिंक के किंडरगार्टन में जा
हो गया बच्चा
तो इतने किलो की बुक्स होनी चाहिए वगैरह.
Correct.
So what has happened is we moved from a family culture, joint family, but joint family में भी विद्या आरंभ होता है, joint family में भी बच्चा बालवाड़ी में जाता था.
That's correct.
But then came the working class parents, no joint family. Now came that I want to send the child so that I get more free time. That's nothing wrong in that. But ये जो pressure डालना शुरू हो गया बच्चों पे, because we called it preschool. We never said kindergarten. We said preschool. Preschool का मतलब क्या? स्कूल की तैयारी.
Correct.
और वहाँ पे करिकुलम में प्रॉब्लम्स आने लगे. आप वहाँ पे राइटिंग का प्रेशर डालने लगे, आप रीडिंग का प्रेशर डालने लगे. So it is not wrong if you send your 2-year-old to a play school.
Okay.
But it is wrong if you send your 2-year-old to a school, which
To a
means
typical school.
हाँ,
Yeah.
जहाँ पे लेफ्ट ब्रेन एक्टिविटीज की जाएगी,
Yeah.
नॉट राइट ब्रेन
So
एक्टिविटीज.
that's very important. Yeah. So it's
और यही चीज ना पेरेंट्स को समझ में आया है, ना मीडिया को समझ में आया है, ना ये जो रील्स बनाते हैं उनको समझ में आया है. सो दे स्टार्ट ब्लेमिंग के प्री स्कूल कल्चर आ गया है, प्री स्कूल कल्चर आ गया है. नो, इट्स योर सिलेक्शन विच इज रॉन्ग.
Wonderful.
Please don't put your child in a school at that age which is going to force writing, reading and number work on your child. Force.
Yeah.
Children learn on their own. Children count on their own. But don't make me write.
Yeah.
It's more about me experiencing, me doing oral.
Yes.
Pressure जब writing का आप मेरे ऊपर डाल दोगे. See, medical terms में cephalocaudal proximodistal development होता है. Proximodistal means what? अंदर के ऑर्गन्स पहले आपके डेवलप हो गए और लास्ट डेवलप होंगे आपके फिंगर्स.
Yes.
तो 6 साल तक ये proximodistal होता है.
Okay.
तो आप पेंसिल दे दोगे बच्चे के हाथ
So
में,
you're kind of
doing something which is wrong.
the
Yeah.
natural process of development.
Cephalocaudal means पहले सर यानी कि ब्रेन का डेवलपमेंट होता है, लास्ट में फीट का.
Correct.
That's why a young baby, human baby, walks after 1 year.
Yes, absolutely.
So in that 1 year, what are you supposed to take care of? You're supposed to take care from the head
Add
to the body.
to the body. Absolutely.
He's not going to walk.
Excellent. I think this is, you're giving a more scientific,
Exact.
you know,
But
kind
this
of
is
a
low.
logic.
I feel
Yeah.
we are not supporting parents. We are giving them things to get scared of. ये करो नहीं तो ये होगा.
Yeah.
ये करो नहीं. Teach them medical terms, teach them scientific terms, teach them cultural terms. अब देखिए विद्या आरंभ.
It's wonderful, I think.
So beautiful.
Yeah, it's very, very good.
And it
Very-
says it all.
Yeah. Maybe if you know people, I can connect them. We can do an
Absolutely.
episode on this actually.
Absolutely.
We should and we must
Yeah.
because this is what, we want to do.
Absolutely.
Yeah. Wonderful. Excellent. Great. So I think while we are into that nursery thing and all that, obviously kids. So what is the right age for जहाँ pencil हाथ में डालनी चाहिए? After 3 years? 4 years?
Ideally at the age of 4 years.
At the age of 4 years.
वो इंडिया के लिए,
India.
टाइगर मॉम्स के लिए. अगर आप बाहर कंट्रीज में जाओगे तो दे से नॉट बिफोर द एज ऑफ 6 or 7.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Wow.
आप एक एक्सरे में दिखाऊंगी आपको ऑफ अ 4-year-old child's hand and a 7-year-old child's hand. तो उस एक्सरे में आपको पता चल जाएगा कि 4 साल के बच्चे के जो बोन्स है फ्यूज नहीं हुए कंप्लीटली.
अच्छा.
सो जो पेंसिल पकड़ने के लिए जो चाहिए होता है उसको ग्रिप, वो उसका उतना अच्छा नहीं रहता है जितना 7 साल के बच्चे का रहता है.
Okay.
And that's why countries like Finland and all, they introduce writing late.
अब तो क्या ट्रेंड और बदलेगा. When the age I will ask you question कि कब से टाइपिंग देना है उनको, कब से वो ये thumb का, because most of the time, they're going to use their thumbs now.
Absolutely. And I'm so happy again because
Yeah.
it's never age related.
Yeah.
ये जो हम बोलते हैं ना किस एज पे देना
हाँ जी,
चाहिए.
हाँ जी.
It is stage related.
Stage related.
Which means if my child can do this with their hands, like for example,
Yeah.
if your child can cut with a scissor,
Yeah.
then your child is ready to write.
Absolutely.
Why?
Okay.
Say
That's a
3
good-
fingers who
Hmm.
hold a pencil are used in a scissor.
Correct.
So if your child can cut with a scissor,
Hmm.
and usually we give scissors late.
Okay.
Parents डरते हैं scissor देने में.
Correct.
नहीं दियो. Montessori used to give scissors.
Okay.
Child
Okay.
friendly scissors though,
Correct.
but
Or at
give
least the
because the
motor activity or
yeah. यही 3 fingers से उसको पेंसिल पकड़नी है.
Absolutely.
तो उसको एक्सरसाइज कीजिए.
Wonderful. I think that's wonderful. I mean, next question ये भी होगा आगे जाके ChatGPT कब से देना है उसको? When do you want to expose them?
After you give them human intelligence, because that's
Okay.
AI.
Absolutely.
That's artificial intelligence.
will come later. Human
Yeah.
intelligence has
I
to come.
need to first understand what is ChatGPT, what does it do for me,
Yeah.
and how can I make him do things for me. If you're going to give ChatGPT as magic to a child,
Yeah.
here is your assistant, he's going to do everything for you. अरे आज human assistants को भी आपको कितने instructions देने पड़ते
That's
हैं.
correct.
You have to change your style of communication for them. So if I don't teach communication to a child, then I will not be able to do justice with this child and ChatGPT. Communication is very important, जो आज नहीं हो रहा है. We are not talking enough to children for them to understand communication. Harvard के website पे जाइए, there is something called Harvard Developing Child. They call something called serve and return interactions, which means a child must know how to have a conversation.
That's correct.
We are not having conversations with our children. Did you know that? We are either interrogating them by asking, ये खाया, वो खाया, कब खाया? Or we are giving them instructions. ये कर लेना, वो कर लेना. We are not having a communication.
We're not having a conversation.
Exactly. The communication जब तक हमें नहीं आएगा, we won't be able to do a good job with ChatGPT.
You're right.
Have you noticed ChatGPT can give you any rubbish answers if you don't ask it correctly?
End of the day, yeah. I mean, what you get is what
Yeah.
you ask is what
You
you're gonna
ask.
get.
Yeah,
Absolutely.
absolutely.
Yeah.
And that is why it is very important that communication becomes the first agenda of parenting and education.
Wonderful.
Did you also know this, that there is a different way to speak at different age levels?
Yes.
For example, to a 1-year-old child, you should talk with 1-step instructions, which means come, go, sit, ek step.
That's correct.
2-year-olds understand 2-step instructions. Come here and sit down. साथ में. What do we do to 2-year-olds? We say, come here. फिर वो आएगा. फिर हम लोग बोलेंगे, sit down.
Sit down.
So we're treating that 2-year-old brain like a 1-year-old brain. 3-year-old बच्चे को 3-step instructions एक साथ देने होते हैं.
अच्छा.
Come here, sit down and listen to me. What do we do? Come here,
Yeah.
आएगा, बैठेगा, sit. That's what we do.
Correct.
At age 4, 4-step
4
instructions.
steps. Okay. Wow.
And mostly all of us, at any age that we are, we can't understand more than 4-step instructions at a time. Now, when these children go to school or college, you see how the professors and teachers talk. I want you all to sit down, to open your maths book to page number 52 and go to the second sum.
Yeah.
क्या
Princess
हुआ?
कितने साल का एक साथ दे दिया हमने.
हाँ तो वो तो हम लोग तो ऐसे ऐसे देखते हैं. But
Correct.
by grade 1, a
Hmm.
child should have been able to understand 4 steps instructions together.
Absolutely.
So we don't even take care of that in our children.
So the foundation is not being laid properly here. So that's the thing. Yeah, that's the thing. Great. So extracurricular,
Hmm.
Dr. Swati, what do you think? How much role it should play? I mean, what is a fine balance? Obviously, too academic or too non-academic. I mean, where do you see the the fine balance between the two, and how important it is?
3 very simple points. For a parent, if a parent wants extracurricular activities in a school,
Hmm.
then I say it's not a resort.
Hmm.
It's a school.
Hmm.
तो उधर focus होगा on educational activities.
Sure.
If there are extracurricular activities which are tied to life skills, तो it should be part of the curriculum. उसको separate क्यों रखा है?
Hmm.
So it should be part of the curriculum. Don't call it extracurricular if they were so important.
Yeah, I agree. Why it is called?
Why is it called extracurricular?
Yeah, absolutely.
Then it should be part of the curriculum.
Yeah.
And number 3, if you're putting your child for prestige,
Hmm.
then it's going to stress out the child.
Ah.
Okay, skating karo, dancing karo, ye karo. Your child is not going to become
Yeah.
a
Again,
film
Sharma ji ka
star.
beta syndrome types.
Yeah, I mean,
You know.
think about
Yeah.
whether your child's interest lies in it
Hmm.
and how is it going to help your child. For example, if your child is a little timid,
Yes.
okay, and you want your child to work on that,
Yeah.
then you can put your child into activities like drama, etc., which will bring that out from your child. If you feel that your child doesn't sit in one place, then you put your child in chess, so that the activity itself will bring out that attribute in your child. But also look at your child's interest.
Absolutely.
आपके घर में कोई चेस नहीं प्ले कर रहा है, आपने मुझे
Your
चेस
course
क्लासेस
and
में
chess.
डाला है, क्यों डाला है?
Yeah. Correct.
Makes no sense.
Yeah. But at times ऐसा होता है डॉक्टर, मैंने देखा है कि some skills which as a parent we don't have, but we realize our kids have that.
Then
So
it's
that
fine.
is no harm in kind of
Absolutely.
nurturing them and giving them that opportunity.
But then take interest in it
Yes.
also, so that the child has something to talk to you about. So आपने
So you
चेस
also
में
need to-
हाँ,
Yes.
आपने चेस में डाला
Yeah.
तो उसके साथ बैठिए, उसको बोलिए मुझे चेस सिखाओ,
Hmm.
या have a talk or watch chess on television when a match comes.
Yeah.
Know about the chess geniuses.
Correct.
And then it becomes a sharing that I care for cricket, you care for chess.
Correct.
Chalo, let's play a game
Hmm.
where we can each boast about how much we know about our own sport.
Absolutely.
So it can become like that also.
Hmm.
But take interest.
Hmm.
प्रेस्टीज के लिए मत करो.
राइट. ये एक छोटे लेवल तक के तो आपने बोला, बच्चे की एज जब छोटे लेवल पर ठीक है, बट जैसे बच्चा टीन एज में आता है, इट बिकम्स इंक्रीजिंगली डिफिकल्ट फॉर द पेरेंट्स, एंड आई हैव सीन टू गेट एक्वेंट विद द किड.
Yeah.
You know, to be a friend with the kid. ठीक है, being a girl child, she will speak to her mother for variety of discussion she needs to do. But then I feel somewhere the male figure left out. He wants to talk to the kids, but kids kind of, if it is a girl child especially, there is a gap. And so how do you think there is a tip for the kid or the parent to kind of fill that gap?
See, sadly in our country, in fact all over the world, we don't give importance to fathers.
Yeah.
We absolutely give no importance to fathers because mother is pregnant for 9 months. So she gets taken care of.
Yeah.
तुम क्या करते हो 9 महीने, तुमको तो कुछ नहीं करना.
Correct.
You are told that.
Yeah. Absolutely.
When the child is born, it's natural in the baby to seek out the parent who's going to feed them.
Yeah.
It's not called love.
It's
It is
a necessity.
It's a natural instinct.
Yeah, it's a natural instinct.
Again, the father gets left out.
Yeah.
You understand? And then what happens? The father realizes that I am not needed.
Mm.
And then the father sometimes tends to stay out.
Stay out, yes.
And then the mother feels that you're not doing anything.
Yeah, that's correct.
So that's why you're not involved. And that
Yeah.
the father loses that connect with the child. So it's very important. And I've seen today's fathers, they are involved right from pregnancy onwards.
That's correct.
They know exactly at what stage is my child growing at
That's
that
correct.
point.
That's
And they're very interested in it. As soon as the child is born, they start taking interest. They start taking duties about nappy or staying up in the night or whatever it is. And it's very important that don't wait for adolescence
Yeah.
to have a connection with your child.
Yeah.
वो जो आजकल के पेरेंट्स काफी कहते हैं कि मेरा टीनेज बच्चा मेरे साथ कनेक्ट नहीं कर पा रहा है.
That's correct.
That's because you woke up when the child became 10 years. Connection starts from childhood.
Absolutely.
आप रोज का जो कनेक्शन था, it leads up to the teenage child.
Yeah.
And that becomes very
So it's
important.
like a thing to do every day.
Yeah. Can't wait for it
Can't
at
wait
that
for
time.
it. Absolutely.
And
Can't.
as a father, don't ever feel that you can't talk about this or that with your girl child or your son. ये एक चीज हमको सिखाई गई है कि अगर periods की बात है तो father cannot talk about it.
That's correct. So that's kind of a taboo.
Taboo.
You know, that's why I wanted to address this question.
You have to get out of the taboo.
Yeah, that's a taboo. Yeah.
And you will have to, आजकल के parents को, you will have to be the first people who talk about sex to your child.
That's absolutely.
Don't wait for the world to teach your child about it.
Yeah.
So when you make it matter of fact, like a parent asked me when I took a class on sex education, a parent said कि कभी I get very embarrassed. My child asked me, where do babies come from? I said, us question ka answer depends on how old your child is.
Absolutely.
So for example, if a 4-year-old tells you, Mommy, where do babies come from? You say hospital.
Yes.
And that's it. That's
Absolutely.
it. Full stop.
Because eventually he or she will learn from the
They will then ask you the
classes,
next
yeah.
question.
Yeah.
Hospital में कैसे पहुंचा?
Correct.
Then you can say कि मम्मी ने birth दिया. Again, you don't have to get into the uterus till now.
Absolutely correct.
So it's age related, all these answers. Sometimes the baby or the child just has a simple question. Don't make it complex. But let the child, especially, see, teenagers don't wait for your child to be 13 now to talk about sex. 9-year-olds and 10-year-olds know about sex.
Yes.
So though gone are those day and age.
Absolutely.
You know, so you will have to start early.
Knowledge is widespread.
So if you have a routine with your child at night where you say, Beta, do you want to ask me anything? It can be anything under the sun.
Yes.
Tell me about it. And then if the child says, nahi, kuch nahi puchna hai, but I wanted to ask you something, can I? So it becomes a ritual where रोज मैं मम्मी डैडी को कुछ पूछ सकता हूँ और मम्मी डैडी मुझे कुछ पूछ सकते हैं.
Correct. And somewhere that ice will break.
Yeah, it will. It will.
Yeah, you're right. Absolutely.
Because it's not only about sex education. It's about child sexual abuse.
Yeah.
If you're not going to talk to your child every day, you won't know who's abusing your child.
Absolutely correct. And that hence my another question, and literally I wanted to ask, because sometimes we as a parent are not being able to spot the stress. So that brings me to this question that educator and parent as well, experienced parents. So where do you see that? What are the areas parents must be watchful in spotting stress in their kids, and how do we kind of handle that situation?
See, if you know your child from birth, you know the cues.
Yes.
You know that मेरे से आँख चुराता है वो. ऊपर नहीं देख रहा है, या he's not eating as much as he usually eats. चुपचाप रहता है. You know, because you know your child's personality.
Yes.
उसमें से जब deviation शुरू हो जाता है, then a parent knows about it because you have been connected to the child. And that's why here again the importance, don't be so connected to the screen that you miss out on these things
signals
in your child.
Yeah.
If you know your child, you will know these little things. Simple thing होता है, कोई visitor आया और आपने कहा अंकल को hello बोलो, and the child does this. That should be a sign to you.
Absolutely.
कि ये क्यों नहीं करना चाहता है?
He's not connecting with.
Why? So then you can have a conversation with the child. Then what happened, बेटा? होता है हमें कोई कभी लोग अच्छे नहीं लगते हैं, but क्या हुआ? But I want to help you with it. Don't say ऐसा क्यों किया तुमने, अंकल को क्यों किया?
Correct.
Because I hope you all listeners know that 85% of the people who abuse children are known to them.
Yes, absolutely.
They're family members.
Absolutely correct.
They are people who are your neighbors.
Yeah.
They are people who are your friends. So, and it's a fact.
Yeah.
So that's why I feel ये जो एक routine बना दो आप हर रात का. Do you want to tell? Yeah. Do you want to tell me anything?
Yeah.
I ask parents to ask pointed questions, especially to young children.
Yeah.
मैंने 25 साल पहले एक moped video बनाया था on Good Touch Bad Touch. It's still there on YouTube.
Yeah.
That was the first time. Imagine 25 years back talking about Good Touch Bad Touch. You know?
Absolutely.
But ask your child pertinent questions. आज किसके साथ खेले? आज क्या खेले? मैं अंकल के साथ खेला. अच्छा क्या खेले आप? तो पता चलेगा अंकल उसको लैप पे ले रहा है and they are playing on the lap.
Correct.
So then you know where to draw a line.
Absolutely.
Very important to have these conversations with children.
Mm.
And children draw their emotions also very
I
well.
agree.
So if you feel your child is not talking to you, just give them a piece of paper and crayon or pen and say, can you draw and tell me what you do during play? And you will see they'll come out with all kinds of things in their drawings.
Absolutely. Absolutely. Even the burnouts also, I think
Yeah.
kids do give signals. Even at a
They do.
You know,
They
do, right? Because
डाइट पे इफेक्ट होता है, स्लीप पे इफेक्ट होता है और उनका चिड़चिड़ापन बढ़ जाता है.
चिड़चिड़ापन बढ़ता है. Correct. So this is an important,
Absolutely.
basically symptoms parents must watch out.
Absolutely.
When do you think I mean, obviously there are plenty of questions, but we'll kind of come to a very important one, is on the financial literacy part or the financial teaching part. What is the right age, for that? Savings ka, make the kids aware about that, how they're going to end of the day, most of their, in fact, rest of their life, they need to live in the financial kind of a situation. They need to learn things, what to save, when to save, how to spend, when to spend. So what is the right age, do you think, for that?
I think the first time a relative gives your child money.
That's correct.
क्योंकि तब relatives give children money.
Absolutely.
In their hands.
Absolutely.
And हम ले लेते हैं वो envelope. But that's the time to start your financial literacy.
Correct. If I were
Because
I went to a place wherein I was giving money, so the kid said, "Uncle, ये मत दो, ये तो मम्मी ले लेगी." मेरे को ये दिला के दे दो बहुत टाइप. You're right.
What you said is like my sister.
Yeah.
When my sister was around 18 years old, I used to take her out and I used to say, चल आज मैं तुझे ना croissant खिलाऊंगी, coffee पिलाऊंगी.
Correct.
So she used to say, पैसा दे देना. वो नहीं पीना है मुझे. So that's how some people are.
That's correct.
But the minute a child sees money for the first time in any form is the right time to start your financial literacy. And the easiest way in our country to do that is, आप notes पे देखिए, there are pictures of different places in India.
That's correct.
So you can use it to play a game. You can print out those places in a piece of paper and ask them to match the currency. You can ask them to match two matching currencies. The colors, हमारी currencies different colors में है. Each one has a different denomination. So even a 3-year-old knows कि ये 2 है, ये 1 है. So let's now put it, कौन सा सबसे छोटा है, कौन सा सबसे बड़ा है. Like that. So financial literacy is not just about savings. It starts with me understanding that this means something. This means a value. This means something.
That's correct.
And especially if your child asks you to buy something, that's a financial literacy lesson. Okay, let's go to the shop and let's see how much it is for. And आज मेरे wallet में इतना पैसा है. I have kept this much for you.
Yeah.
So what is the price of this? Let's see. So it gives them an understanding about wants and needs, savings, about understanding how much to spend.
Correct.
Because financial literacy, what people think is all about just teaching them about money. Financial literacy का first step है wants and needs. What am I going to spend my money on?
Absolutely correct.
So when that clarity is there in children's minds.
Yeah. Do I need it or do I want it? Correct.
And introduce a piggy bank.
Piggy bank. Yes.
Always.
Absolutely. Yeah.
So गुल्लक कहते हैं ना जो, तो वो होना ही चाहिए घर में.
Correct.
And again that impulse control comes.
Yes.
कि मैं खोलूं ये, निकालूं पैसे, इसके लिए निकालूं कि उसके लिए निकालूं.
Correct.
Introduce your child into the world of literacy like that. I think one of the first things either is when the child is exposed to money is when the relative gives.
Absolutely.
Or Lakshmi Pujan.
I
have seen it from childhood. ये क्या है? Lakshmi क्या है?
Correct.
क्यों हम इसकी पूजा करते हैं?
Correct.
So it is a wonderful connection to financial literacy कि हम पूजा क्यों करते हैं उसकी.
I think that's, I really like it.
Yeah.
Absolutely. Vidya Aram and Lakshmi Pujan, I think these are like, I think I am so far so good, Dr. Swati, and I think it has been a fabulous interaction.
Thank you so much.
And so many things to learn. And I think we've got a fabulous episode, and I'm certain that my audience would love this.
Thank you.
And I'm going to have a lot of other and positive comments and other questions as well. And I wish that we find another topic and we bring you to the table.
Oh, thank you so much.
To the show once again. It's been a privilege. And thank you so very much. and we continue to look forward to it.
Namaskar and thank you so much.
And that's the on the point, and you kind of literally gave the clarity on every the Javan led questions we have. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
And that was on the point. और आप सब अमेजिंग पेरेंट्स जो हमें देख रहे हैं, बस एक टिप आज से ट्राई कीजिए और देखिए कैसे आपके घर का एटमॉस्फेयर ही चेंज हो जाता है। अगर ये कॉन्वर्सेशन ने आपको वैल्यू दिया हो तो अभी सब्सक्राइब कीजिए, क्योंकि यहीं मिलेंगे आपको क्लियर, प्रैक्टिकल और नो जार्गन आंसर्स। और हाँ, हम आपसे सुनना चाहते हैं। अपने क्वेश्चंस और फीडबैक कमेंट्स में या हमारे व्हाट्सएप चैनल पर भेजिए। शायद आपका क्वेश्चन अगले एपिसोड का हाईलाइट बन जाए। टिल देन, स्टे स्मार्ट, स्टे प्रेजेंट और मिलते हैं नेक्स्ट एपिसोड में ओनली ऑन द पॉइंट।